Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon Alexa. To begin, carefully unbox your new Alexa device and connect it to a power source using the provided adapter. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the official Amazon Alexa app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to link your device to your home's Wi-Fi network. Finally, log in using your existing Amazon account credentials to finalize the setup and get ready to explore all the features. Once your Alexa is set up, interacting with it is incredibly simple. Just say the wake word Alexa followed by your request. For instance, you can ask Alexa, "What's the time?" or Alexa, "What's the weather like today?" You can also enjoy your favorite tunes by saying, "Alexa, play some jazz music." Setting reminders is easy too. Try Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes, or Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m. tomorrow. Alexa truly shines when integrated with your smart home. You can effortlessly control compatible devices, such as turning off lights or adjusting your thermostat, with simple voice commands. Elevate your experience by creating custom routines. For example, a good morning routine could turn on lights and play the news. You can also make hands-free calls to friends and family who have Alexa devices. Don't forget to browse the vast library of thousands of skills to personalize your experience even further. To get the most out of your Alexa, consider its placement. A central location, like a kitchen counter or living room table, ensures it can hear you clearly from across the room, typically within a 20-foot radius. Make it a habit to check the Alexa app periodically for new features and software updates, which often enhance performance. Remember to review and adjust your privacy settings to control how your data is used. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with various commands and explore new skills to unlock Alexa's full potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.